Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are cooking up a classic Japanese style pasta dish known as Napolitan. This dish is a unique fusion of Western and Japanese flavors featuring spaghetti toast with ketchup-based sauce, vegetable and meat. It's a simple yet flavorful meal loved by many in Japan. First, boil pasta in salted water. Cut the onion into 2mm strips. Remove seeds from bell pepper and slice into rings. Diagonally slice the sausages. Adding bacon is optional, but we went for it as we felt like having more meat today. In a frying pan, heat some oil and lightly saute the bacon and sausages. Once lightly sauteed, add the onion. After the onion softens, add the bell pepper. Saute briefly, then add ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Cook while stirring to reduce the acidity. Once the pasta is cooked, add it directly to the frying pan. Toss with butter until well combined. And Napolitan is ready. The dish has a perfect balance of acidity and sweetness, with a delicious flavor from the ingredient. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for watching our Napolitan recipe. We hope you will enjoy making and tasting this unique Japanese take on spaghetti. It's a delicious blend of East and West that's sure to delight your taste buds. If you have any questions or suggestions, or if you tried making it at home, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy Japanese recipes. Happy cooking and see you in the next video. Bye bye!